Hello, you guys. Today we're doing a CX-9 2021 using this kind of key. In this case, it's an ADA key, but if it's an all key loss, the only thing you guys gonna need to do is gonna be putting the ignition on. So it's something I will show you maybe how to do. So in this case, it's an ADA key, so we're just gonna put the key in on position and do read and press OK. And now we're just gonna press 2021 smart key. And then we're just gonna press yes. We're gonna go to control unit, keyless system, key learning. In this case, we're just gonna add smart key. So we're gonna need these two keys. So make sure if it's an all key lost, just have one more extra key generated, just for the sake of starting the car. But in this case, we're adding a third key. So now we're gonna wait 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, you're gonna hear two beeps coming from the car, and then we're gonna be able to program it. So we're gonna come back in 7 minutes. So we just heard the two beeps, and the counting is almost in the end. Okay, now we're gonna press the brake and put the key on the push button and press OK. So as you can see, it added a key. So now we have 3 keys in the system. We can just hit OK. Learning is successful. We don't want to learn the next one, so we're just going to hit cancel. Now we're going to turn the ignition to off. So the ignition is off. And then we're going to take the key that we just learned, and we're going to press it on the push button and start the car once. Then we're going to shut the car off. We shut the car off, we take the second key, and we're going to place it on the push button. And then we're going to shut it off, and we're going to take the third key and do the same. Make sure you do that so the car will not have any light on the dash and everything will be clean and perfect for you guys. So thank you guys for watching. This is how you do the 2021-2022's CX-9 with the Autel generated key. Easy job. Thank you guys for watching. You guys have a good day.